y'all, it's Tamara. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a relaxing evening clean with me, you guys. So I just want you guys to listen to the music, whether you're cleaning with me or if you are just wanting to relax, because sometimes I watch cleaning videos to relax. And I hope that you get whatever you need out of it. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Tamara. I'm a married working mom of 2 boys, and I enjoy making these types of videos. If you are here, I assume you like watching these types of videos, so I hope that you guys enjoy this. And I'm not going to talk at all, so I hope that this provides you guys with just a nice, relaxing type of motivation.
Like the wind, you're like a butterfly, need to be seen. You always need to fly, you always leave. Never tell me where. You need the wind, the wind. It always takes you there. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me. feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now. As long as you're here, as long as I know you fly back to me, but it's okay now. As long as you're here, as long as I know you fly back to me, but it's okay now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, but it's okay as long as you're here. But it's okay now. As long as you're here, as long as I know you fly back to me, baby. It's okay now. I am stuck in the middle. Yeah, I'm stuck in between. I'm stuck in opposition. I'm just a machine. So you're stuck in the middle, huh? I guess we're stuck in between. Life is a riddle, yeah. And I don't know what it means, no. This is what it feels like. But you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do. Ooh, baby, as long as I got you. I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna love, give me your love. You're stuck in the middle. Yeah, you're stuck in between. Things can only get better if you know what I mean. Once in the air, you realize what you want, the things that you dream of, and the things that you don't know. This is what it feels like. But you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do. Ooh, baby, as long as I got you. I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna love, give me your love. I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. searching for a better thing. Wanna replace me? I'm in a place that I've never been. It's worse and lonely. Can someone tell me they see good in me? There's good in me. Cause I got doubts, I got doubts, I got doubts, yeah. Sometimes I wanna risk it all. Since you left me, struggle, baby, I see pain. Cause I got nothing. Can someone tell me they see good in me? There's good in